Hello, hello, hello. I am the Linux Mensch. Have you ever done an update in Arch Linux and an app that was updated has bugs in it, or it's not working, or for some reason the whole app was revamped and you're going to have to relearn the whole thing? And for whatever reason, you want to downgrade to the previous version? So today, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get to it. So today I'm in a virtual machine of Arch Linux with the Qtile window manager. And there's a program I have installed in my Arch Linux system. It's called Remmina. It's a remote desktop application which allows you to remote into other systems. And I installed it because I can use it to remote into our cloud service at work, which is based in Windows Server 16. And I can log into our system at work. I have access to all our apps and software at work and all our files, as if I was working at work. But I can do it from my Linux system, my Arch Linux system here at home. So I hadn't logged in from home for about a week and a half. And since then, Remmina had two updates. Now, Remmina, like I said, is the app that I use to log into the system, and I'm going to show it to you. So I'm going to hold down the super key, and I'm going to hit the P button, and I'm going to spawn Remmina. So this is Remmina. It's a remote desktop client. It's available in the official Arch Linux repository. And this is the program I use to log into our system. So like I said, I hadn't logged into the system for a week and a half, and Remmina had two updates. So I came home on Friday from work, and I wanted to log in just to look at something, and I couldn't log in, and I didn't know what the problem was. I thought, is the cloud service down? Maybe. And I thought, oh, maybe it's Friday evening. I thought maybe they're doing maintenance on the cloud service. But it was early Friday evening. So then I went to the Arch Linux website and I saw that Remmina had an update. And I thought, maybe the update's not working properly. In my system, anyways. So I downgraded to the previous version and tried to log in, and I couldn't log in. And then I realized Remmina had two updates since the last time I used it. So I downgraded to the previous version. So now I'm two versions behind. And after downgrading to the previous version, it worked. I was able to log into the cloud system at our office. So today, I'm going to show you how to downgrade. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to open up Firefox. Okay. And I'm going to go to Arch Linux and I'm going to type in Remmina. So this is the client that I'm using. It was just updated on September 22nd. Now I have to go back to. Now you can see it's version 33. So now I'm going to open up another desktop. Let's go to desktop 9. I'm going to open up my terminal. I'm going to make it a little larger. And let's type in Pacman, capital Q, Remmina. Now I've already updated the system. Of course, I'm showing you this in a virtual machine. So we see now we're on the most current version, 33-1. And if I go to workspace 1, that's 33-1 right here. Okay, I have to downgrade two versions because that's the one that worked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close Firefox. I'd like to give you a demonstration of it not working, but I can't because then it's going to show you the cloud service I'm using, and it's also going to show you the company I work for, and I don't want you to see that. But when I try to log into Remmina, it just spins. So normally when I open up Remmina and I try to log into the cloud service, a box comes up, asks for my username, it asks for my password, I hit connect, and then I'm logged into our cloud service. And it's just like I'm at work. But when I use Remmina now, it opens up and it just spins. It makes no connection at all. So the box field that comes up where I can put my username in and my password in doesn't even come up. It just spins. But like I said, if I do that, then you're going to see the cloud service I'm working, and you're probably going to see the name of the company I work for, and I don't want you to see that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Firefox, let's open up Firefox again. And we're going to type in here, we're going to type in archive archlinux.org. So let me just highlight this. So we're going to type in archive period archlinux.org, and it's going to bring us to this page. We're going to click on packages, and then we're going to go to the letter for the app that we're looking for. So I'm looking for Remmina, so I'm going to go to R. Here's the R's. I'm going to click on the R, and now it's listing all the R's. So I'm going to scan down to REM. Here it is here, Remmina. So I'm going to click it on. So now it's showing all the Remmina packages going back to 2019. So of course, I'm not going to go to a super old one. I just want to go back to 2023. Now I know I have to go back 2 packages because I already fixed this on Friday in my hard drive. And now I'm just doing a demonstration for you in the virtual machine. So I know the previous package didn't work. It's 2 previous packages I need. Let's just go to another thing here. Let's go to Arch Linux. Let's go back here. Let's type in Remmina. Let's click it on here. So we see the most current update is number 33, and it's dated September 22nd. If we go to here, we see I have installed 33. Let's go back to 1, workspace 1, and let's go back to this one. So we see here September 22nd. This is the one that I have installed that's not working. I tried the previous one on Friday, which is this one here, and that didn't work either. And like I said, I realized I hadn't been in the system. I hadn't logged into work from home in maybe a week and a half or 2 weeks. So I went to the June one, and I downloaded the June one, and it worked. So what you're going to do is find the package that you need to download and click it on. Click on the ZST one. Not the signature, the ZST one. So we're going to click it on, and it's downloading. And now it downloaded. Now it only took a second to download. So now I'm going to close Firefox. I'm going to go back to workspace 9. And I'm going to CD into my download folder. And I'm going to ls it. And there it is. It's version 31. So now I'm going to type in sudo pacman, capital U, and this file that we just downloaded. Okay, and you know what? Let's just make that a little smaller. It's kind of big. We make it big. Okay, so there it is there. So it's sudo pacman, capital U, and the file. And then we're going to hit enter. I'm going to put my password in, and it's downloading it. So now I've just downgraded to 2 packages previously, or 2 versions of the package previously. And now it's going to work. And to show you it's going to work, I'm going to log into the system, but I'm not going to show you how I log in. And you're not going to see any confidential stuff. You're not going to see the cloud service that we use or the company I work for or anything confidential. So I'm going to pause the video, log in just to show you it's working. So now I'm logged into my cloud service at work. You can see I'm on Windows. I don't have any wallpaper here, but you can see I'm on Windows. Let's just open up that. We're on Windows Server. I'm connected to Windows Server, and you can see my files down here. I have my calculator. I have Microsoft Outlook. I have my PDF program, Acrobat. I have MS Word, Google Chrome, Excel, Microsoft Excel, and this program right here, this blue icon is a program we use at work. And of course, you can see I'm on Windows. So there you go. So now I'm going to log out and I'll be back. And I'm back. So now there's one more thing we have to do, is because we're 2 versions behind. Whenever I do an update, it's going to update to the latest version of Remmina, and I want to stop that from happening. So I'm going to go to workspace 9, where I have my terminal open. I'm going to do sudo vim etc pacman.com. And I'm going to scan down, and I'm going to scan down to this line right here. See line 24? Pacman won't upgrade packages listed in ignore package and members of ignore group. So I'm going to go down to the next line, line 25. I'm going to take out the hashtag or the number sign. In other words, I'm going to activate the line. Okay, now the line is activated and it's saying ignore package equals. I'm going to go to the end of the line and then type in Remmina. And that's it. I'm going to move my cursor down just so you can see. So I've activated that line. Let's go up. So I've activated, I took the hashtag out or the number sign out of line 25 and I activated the line, and at the end I typed in Remmina. So it's going to ignore package equals Remmina. So now I'm going to save the file, and now I'm going to clear the screen and I'm going to do an update. So let's do sudo Pacman SYU. And first of all, there's nothing to update because I updated the system before I turned on the camera. And secondly, look at what it says right here. Warning, Remmina ignoring package upgrade 31 to 33. So now it's not going to upgrade the package. So now I can stay on the previous the two previous versions of Remmina, which is working for me and allowing me to log into my system at work. I can stay on that package for as long as I need to. And when I do an update, I'm always going to get this warning, but it's okay. It's just reminding me that I'm on an older version of Remmina and Pacman is not updating it. And that's it. Easy peasy. Today, I explained one reason why some people don't like Arch Linux. Because it's a rolling release, packages get updated all the time, and sometimes a package gets updated that doesn't work for you, or the package is so different, you have to relearn how to use it, and it's a hassle. Or sometimes there's bugs in the updated version of a package. So today, I showed you how to downgrade to a previous version of a package and how to change your Pacman configuration file so it keeps that older version of the package and doesn't update it to a newer version. I hope you learned something today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I am the Linux Mensch. Bye-bye.